Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Pinterest story pins. So first and foremost, if you want to use story pins, unfortunately this idea pins has been removed and you cannot longer see this once you tap on the plus icon. It will just show you the normal or standard pin. So alternatively, you can use this one for Pinterest story pins. All you have to do is to just create a series of regular pins like slides. You can upload them one by one with titles like part 1, step 2, link them all the same blog or video post. This one is good for tutorials or recipes in small steps. Another one is that you can upload or create a collage pin. So what you're going to do is you can combine multiple steps or photos in one graphic using Canva or any design tool like what I'm doing right now. Go to Canva, tap on create a design, type Pinterest, or if you know the size of Pinterest here, you can type, go to customize size and type the size. You can also select from any of this, for example, this one. Now, what you're going to do is you have to look for a design template where you can add multiple photos, for example, this one. You can just basically upload photos and drag to each frame. Now change the title or the text, and here it is. You can now have your story pins or Pinterest story pins. Lastly, you can create a video. You can go to Canva and then select a design or template right here. Record a vertical story style video. Upload it as a video pin. You can now add here pictures. Okay, for the first template, you can add first picture, add again another one, and then here you can add again another picture and make sure that you have saved this as MP4. Tap on share, tap download, make sure it's MP4, go back to your Pinterest and upload this. So in this way, you can use Pinterest story pins. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.